The Trigger Man, where we play no games and we got good aim. Welcome to the channel and thank you for watching. The Trigger Man.
All right, boy Trigger Man, back in the lab. And today, what we have here. Today, man, we got some products that were sent out from TEMU. We have a silicone full face mask. The version of this is the 6602, which is gonna be this fella right here. Big, nice lens, plastic lens, cartridges, comes with silicone seal there, and then a elastic harness to wrap around your big head. Okay, and then after that, we're gonna go with the spray gun automotive refinishing. That's what this one here is called. Nice looking gun, and here it is here. Ba-dow. Okay, it's the Listen. We're gonna be spraying with the Listen today. And what is it giving us? What is it giving us? It's giving us Germany technology. Mr. Dean, this one's for you, brother. Yeah. Germany technology. Oh man, this is kind of like a Seder jet, huh? Oh, this is gonna be good. The Listen. Oh, and it's a RP. Just like a Seder jet. 1.3 RP. Oh, they mean business here, boy. Seder, look out. It's the LNS 5800G RP. Yeah. Okay, we're gonna get down. We're gonna get jiggy with this. We're gonna do this here pearl, quarter panel, blend the bumper, blend it to the door. I might leave this here cap on here because I don't know if I have any adapters for our DeVilbiss D-cup system, but I'll see. I kind of loaded it up already, been spraying, cleaning it out, so we'll see what's what. So I'm gonna go mask up, mix up, and we'll get to it. Boop. Okay, first up we have this here spray gun. About the spray gun. Now normally the gun would cost you $65.18, but TEMU is running a special. If you download the app, for new app users, you can get the spray gun for $12.73. Now $12.73 for this spray gun, heck of a deal. You wait till you see the results with it. I mean, awesome gun, gets the job done for all you DIY guys, even some professional guys. Laying down base coat, no problem. No problem. Heck of a deal here you're getting with the spray mask, full face, plastic visor, comes with the cartridges, 4-point elastic harness. I mean, you won't find a deal like this anywhere on the internet. Only TEMU. Make sure you download the app. You new users, you're gonna get a special code at the end in the description. Very versatile mask. The visibility is also very clear. And I actually took one of the protective peel-off films. I took one from my other mask that I would normally use, and I applied it to this mask. It fit good, works perfect, protects the plastic. Okay, I'm showing you guys here when you're doing your base on your pearl on a 3-stage, you never want to just have a line. You want to come down a little further on the top. You never want like a circle, just a straight line. You want to kind of throw the eyes off. Come down a little further at the bottom, come around the back a little more on the side, and up top, maybe even keep it real short. But you kind of want to just throw off the eye. You know, you never want to just make a straight line there. Up top, you know, you can stop at the body line, or you can kind of blend up a little on top of that. You kind of just want to fan everything out, just fade it away. I like to go with a tack rag before I start my pearl coat. But yeah, so again with the spray mask, very nice mask, don't smell any type of fumes. Very comfortable on the head, on the face. The silicone is very soft. I know a lot of you guys in the past complain about the price of the full face mask that I've reviewed in the past, saying they're a little out of your budget. So this is a very budget friendly option we have here. And the spray gun, So you want to get off the panel. You don't want to be too close, especially on your mid coat. On the pearl coat, never want to be too close. As I was saying, the spray gun, very nice spray gun. Sprays very similar to the higher end guns, the premium guns. My first time spraying with it here, so I had the fluid turned in a good amount on there. Again, not sure if it's going to be one of those hosers that spit out a lot or if it's not going to put out enough. So I actually started with the fluid turned out 3 turns. And as I started with the clear coat, after the first coat of clear, I realized, okay, I can come out a little further. So it's not one of those hoser spray guns where it just dumps out clear. It's definitely not one of those. Going with a drop coat now for my pearl coat. Again, you just want to kind of fan everything out, blend it out. No special tricks, not adding any type of blending reducers or mixing stuff together. You know, just the simple way, the old school way that works, you know. I could have went ahead and mixed everything together and did all kind of trickery for you to make it harder than what it has to be, but it's really just that simple. Just put your base, blend it out, put your pearl, blend it out a little further, and that's it. It's as simple as that. Here I am trying to feel the gun. I don't have a air regulator on there, so I'm kind of going by feel, by hearing it. When I don't have a regulator, on top of just listening, I like to put my hand in front of it and kind of feel the gun. So again, without spraying, with a regulator, first time using the gun, I think it did very well for the first time. Again, my first coat here, I'm noticing, okay, it's not a hoser. I have it right now, 3 turns out, just double checking it, looking from the side. So I know, okay, I can come out a little bit more with the fluid without worrying about getting runs or sags. So my first coat went on a little drier than I normally would apply it, but again, it's better to go on a little drier with the fluid turned in instead of going in there with it wide open, getting runs. No, no, no. Anytime you're trying to your first time spraying with a gun, you're always better off turning the fluid in a little tighter. See, that's a little drier than I would normally do it, but I corrected on that second coat. As you guys know, I like my first coat to look like my last coat. That's how I spray. But it's not alarming. It's nothing bad. It's just being cautious. Now, on the second coat is where I go ahead and I really make it happen. I turn that fluid out another full turn. So right now I'm at 4 turns out from closed on the fluid. And now it's going on. Perfect. Well, nothing's ever perfect, but a hell of a lot better than the first coat. And it looks more like the results that I get out of higher end guns. And this is an RP. See, just double checking. Got to double check everything. Again, this is an RP, which I'm assuming is for reduced pressure, which makes this a great gun for you guys that have to spray in compliance. So it looks like TEMU is coming out with some really good products out there for you guys that are looking for the more budget friendly respirators, spray guns. They got sandpaper, sanders, just about everything you'd need in your automotive refinishing career or for your automotive refinishing hobbies. Don't mind the pistola there. Spraying my blender, getting everything down. And this is what we're looking like after 2 coats of clear. Base, pearl, everything blended out. Simple. No trickery. No magic mixes and potions and formulas. If it ain't broken, don't fix it. That's all we had to do. But looks very good. I would highly recommend these products for you guys out there, especially you guys that complain about prices on other masks I've reviewed in the past. Look at there, beautiful results from the TEMU products. I will definitely leave links down below for you guys to check them out. And while you're there on their site, you can check out their other products. Very nice equipment. And again, another look at the beautiful full face spray mask. Nice spray gun. Good setup to get you guys started. I'll definitely leave links down below for you if you want to check them out, and then also have a look around their shop and look at all the good quality tools that they have. Your boy Trigger signing off. Catch you in the next one. Peace.